Mama wakwaba midi ede Addo searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Felix appear political zone ena okase na ochrese ne papa ene his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo enti no se okase obejai NPP amayoko ne HD anase obejai se obo enyama pa eye his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo Addo ena vice president Dr. Bawumia omo aba beye ehu deruba ene ya de obetimi ontimi nde ontimi ochna because ne papa ne his excellency Nana do no penasemi ye papa na ode ensem bia betudwa afa eye Mary Amoakwa Boadu ana oye NPP ni a okọ campaign ma eye omanpedida da John Dramani Mahama sese no oso wa back to NPP na eno ena Felix apia etrese dabi 2020 ensema anase eniema Mary Amoakwa Boadu e de NPP fema ebi eka ono Felix ene court sem se wa broni ni nsem anim guase sem bebre ene oso wo baba kiria enya de a obeprint oni na nya asem ketewa ene internet ne so watu tu bia mane Mary Ukraine asem ketewa na do fome nka senche no yenti ensem a Felix eka ede etre Mary ne yensa nsombra
did ene de ne NDC na okọ register ye eko gada dom sebe yenko hutu at nanado yenko huro nanado e wo London no ene de o se MPP nye sebe MPP enye me papa eja pade Mary ne me ka kire MPP enye me papa eja pade pure what some do ni me from next week ube feel pa will come and show you why NPP me papa de wele mame because wo kra na wo na ase MPP ne ye wo no wo fie kra na you were willing to break down NPP utie Mary me say wo ho it is only people who are not deep thinkers that will think you are sincere. You are never sincere. You are a fake product. Sad ni new year one start your person the kebi ma NPP ni nano it is because we call NDC na nye year amount because we call NDC ye ma wanka wamba back utie we call NDC now we call pay say positions and then you gave Jesus Christ you Ghanaians some of us I don't get it you gave up your own family member according to you Nanado is your family member you gave up your own family member for an opposition party that has an empty candidate and because you thought say yebema uskebi yebema ubi bibintino you were fully there Mary me say subi wa kire won na pain me MPP ne de me papa wa wele amame and that is why I don't play with it. That is why I spend my last dollar to defend MPP. That is why I do all that I can. Something I can do for NPP, you can never do for NPP. I want to build NPP. I want NPP to spread. You don't want NPP because you didn't get what you want. So you will go against your own people. You will sell out your own people. Mary Boadu, you will sell out your own people. But I, on the other hand, don't sell out my people. Are you understanding me? I, on the other hand, Marie, I don't sell out people. But like I said, I just saw your publication on me. I couldn't tell me about Marie Boadu Dino. Wabo dia could video, mame. Say 2020 kura when be I mean no not joining yejuma. I don't want to start with you, crazy woman. I don't want to start with you. Wo bronsam way and amoko share akosia se sebi ekwia se we echi chinchine on fa nkoko tonfa anani ni na obi afiri ana dia wo be tro ye ntura wo be di ye and a Canadian police arrest me Rambo star near them say I will bring all your past back for people to know who truly you are. Mary Boadu, I'll bring all your past back. Don't say your other page. Now we didn't you see, you had to block that page. Say, Anna, I have forgotten my password. Oh boy, Mary Boadu, because we can't even find it when we search it because you tell me. Okay, yes, Mama Jenny and Patro email now the way na no why. Patro no ya email ne no I am a number ne keke na email ne there, yeah. No, why, mommy? That's a pass when I'm in show. Yeah. Not sure, dear. Marie, me say me, I'm going to make sure me. Say Juma, we now me say come de ma ke boat. Na ke boat ne one year because me go big Juma ye. Many a bria me expose Mahama big time. Many a bria me expose NDC for na down me their dad big time. You know. I decided to send come my way, but never to make a video. I will come and respond to your video. This woman talking about me, I'm behaving as if say me papa will NPP their mommy. Who 2020? Mo said that me kuya sewa mo tie konechi. We will help you bring your woman. We will help you na mo de no kose Coventry. Where the ma onene Goliath. Our Coventry. All in the name say yeah.
Alafie na ati ensema Felix Apia e de atudwa. Ensema de bebre beto aso. Na emom no yebeka say Felix ni nsem o kan no baby wo ho a eye e na fa baby so no e bi obi beka so ne nya adwe because Marie anasa okatachi free from so mo back to NPP and e omo aka so mo business because politics de untime in predict baby will be enko so no pe no say wa ko NDC no sanso back to NPP but of course metewo ya ona say ye na ye follow ye show ne de nim de will go through e wa bra say wa broni and His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo ne sensem ne by the way I will bring court akoniaba Canada nsem and yes Ghana hampo and His Excellency Addo Akufo Addo ye president na waka say omo kembia ma abrochi de ho nsem no e different court akoniaba wankasa wo trese wo hwere wadwuma sika na de beto aduane edi wo na wo mampo na wo nya nti ebeye ye a say upon all dear Marie ye your son so back but say na Bible kan no wo de asebcha on fashion che Bible say en fast menche enti no I think all the cha and can you but I understand your pain and our day esa enti no en some way and a Felix abeka and I say wa reacting afa Marie amwakwabo aduni ba say also all back to NPP no na do yenti ensem no ento aso
social media henti no yemfa court sementwintwan ne mu yemfa police nhunahuna no. You guys did all this to me. Some of you people don't know what I've gone through. Obi a sebe or penny sika do for deep after sika MPP for triama say when na say what da so tata MPP for say chinchinia or per $1 million. Ebe did try and to say they are top president. So wo marry buedu kra dia wo na wo CS or you wunua or your wofa. Now obi ebe din trust say who of a use state apparatus. You people don't know how serious that allegation was. People thought say I was just fighting say we agree say sebi onena na ado identity. Onena na ado identity. That wasn't my problem. I told you people. Make